Hey there, parents! Looking for a fun activity to keep your little ones entertained? Today, I'm going to show you a super simple drawing tutorial perfect for kids aged 4 and up. Grab some paper, crayons, and let's get started. First up, we're drawing a happy sun. Ask your child to draw a big circle right in the middle of the paper. Great job! Now, let's add some rays. They can draw straight lines coming out from the circle, like a starburst. Encourage them to count the rays as they draw. 1, 2, 3. See how many they can make. Next, let's make a smiling face on our sun. Draw 2 small circles inside the big one for eyes. You can even add tiny dots in the middle to make them look like pupils. Now, draw a big curved line underneath for a happy smile. Perfect! Alright, up next is a cute little house. Start with a big square or rectangle for the house body. Then, draw a triangle on top for the roof. Simple, right? Now add a small square for the door and a few rectangles for windows. Let your child use their favorite colors to fill it in. Let's add a tree next to the house. Begin with a tall rectangle for the trunk. Then, draw a big fluffy cloud shape on top for the leaves. Your child can add some small circles or squiggles inside the cloud for extra leaves. Finally, let's create a fun little scene. Add some grass by drawing short, spiky lines at the bottom of the page. Maybe even throw in a few flowers by drawing small circles with lines for stems. And how about a cute butterfly in the sky? Draw a small oval for the body and 2 wings on each side. Simple and adorable. There you go. In just a few minutes, your child has created a beautiful picture they can be proud of. Remember, the goal is to have fun and let their imagination run wild. Don't worry about perfection. It's all about the experience. Thanks for drawing with me today. If you and your little one enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe for more fun activities. Happy drawing!